YouTube channel. I'm Kisan Lecturer. So today we will learn about merge sort. Merge sort is a powerful algorithm for sorting arrays efficiently. So merge sort is widely used because it's fast, reliable and work well with large datasets. So have you ever wondered how your favorite apps and website organize huge list of data so quickly? Or how search engines display result almost instantly? Well, behind the scene is algorithm like merge sort are doing the heavy lifting. So merge sort algorithm. Introduction to merge sort. Divide split. You start with an unsorted list. The first simple step to keep splitting the list in half until you have many small lists, each containing only one item. A list with one item inherently sorted. Example. Conquer merge. The second simple step is to merge those small sorted lists back together. Two at a time, create new larger sorted list. Key features of merge sort: time complexity, stability, not in place, practical application. A visual representation of the algorithm process. Divide step, breaking down the problem into subrays. Definition: the divide step involves breaking the original array into two halves until each subrace contains a single element. This sets a foundation for the sort process. Each time the array is split, the size of subrace decreases, resulting in an algorithm depth of resolution. This process is crucial for efficient sorting. Example: for instance, an array of 8 elements is divided into two 4-element subarrays, which are further split down to 2-element and finally to single element array, facilitating the merge process. Concur step, rescuing sorting the subarrays efficient. Recursive approach. The recursive approach involves breaking down the main problem into smaller subproblems. Each recursive call process a subrace until reaching the base case of single element. Base case. In the merge sort algorithm, the base case occurs when the subrace size in 1. At this point, the subrace is considered sorted, allowing the recursive unwind. Sorting subrace. After reaching the base case, the algorithm recursively sorts each subrace. This ensures that all elements
are in the correct order when merging the sorted subarrays back together. Merge step. Combine sorted subarrays in merge sort. Process overview. The merge step involves taking two sorted subarrays and combining them into a single sorted array. This process ensures that all elements are the correct order. Maintaining order. During merging element from both subarrays are compressed and the smaller element is placed into new array first. This guarantees that the overall order is maintained throughout the merge. Example illustration. For example, if we merge 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, 6, we compare the first element, place 1 in the resulting array, followed by 2 and so on until complete. Merge example. Visualizing the merging of two sorted array.
I encourage you to try to implementing merge sort yourself. Play with different examples. Trace the step on paper and see how the arrays get sorted step by step. If you enjoy this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Also leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you.